Good morning. You need to raise your voice a bit. Okay, good morning. Thank you for being on this platform. Tell us your name, where you are coming from, where you're from. And I believe some people are saying that you are in support for Biafra liberation as a Northerner. How would you react to that?
Thank you very much. My name is Polo Liz. I'm from Plateau State. And I myself am a supportant of the Biafrans. Why am I supporting the Biafra? I'm supporting them because they have seen it. It's like a vision which they have seen from their forefathers or from their fathers. They knew that the country as a Nigeria is not going to be a place for them. And right from that time till date, these people have been silenced. They are not being carried together. And not only them too, when you look at the country entirely, there are some certain people that are ruling this country while the other minority are not just doing anything. But I just want the Biafrans to know that there is a power in unity. If they can unite themselves, nobody in Nigeria can stop them. Tinubu cannot stop them. Nigerian government cannot stop them. United States of America cannot stop them. No any nation can stop them. It is only when they unite. Then that freedom, I believe, they will achieve it.
Okay, today, a few days ago, they celebrated Biafran Day of those who died during the war. And for you, what is your advice? What would you want to talk about Nnamdi Kanu? How do they see Nnamdi Kanu in the north?
Nnamdi Kanu, for the good citizen in the north, they have seen him as a man that has done nothing wrong. But for the bad one, they will see him as a devil. But Nnamdi Kanu is a person whom I know. He's not a terrorist and he's not doing anything evil. He's only soliciting for his people to be free, and which is very, very good, very, very unique for me. And holding Nnamdi Kanu is a big mistake for Nigerian government. I will continue to tell the Nigerian government it's a big mistake. That can lead to a trouble to some certain innocent of Nigeria. So they should release that man if they don't want any trouble for themselves. Because I believe that Nnamdi Kanu is not alone. God is with him, and there are some powerful supporters. There are some powerful people that are with him. They should never think that that man is alone. First of all, I know that God is with him, and there are powerful men that are surrounding him, which Nigerian government might look at it as mere nothing, but they don't know that it's something that they themselves cannot handle it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. In the Middle Belt where you come from,
yes,
and we have seen killings taking place in that place. Why is it that up to today the killing has not stopped?
The killing you are seeing, this is what they don't want to hear. They don't want to hear the truth. And the killing is from the top elites, which are from the north, which are from the far north, which are from even the middle belt. There are some of them. We have terrorists, we have people that are supporting this thing, big people, and they think that what they are doing is right, is okay, and they will continue to do it. And that will make us to continue to go backward. As you can see, who are the poorest people? Is the far north, is us. We the north, we are the poorest people. Look at Lagos. Many people from the north, we come to Lagos for what? We are looking for what we can eat. We are looking for what? Then our leaders in the far north, what are they doing? They are stealing the money, and they are not developing anything. I don't even know what they are doing with the money. They are just supporting terrorists. That's what they are doing with their money. They support terrorists and nothing but just that.
How would you describe Sanusi and Ado Bayero as a Northerner? What is actually the problem in Kanu?
The problem in Kanu, that one, Sinisu, as we all know, he was the man that they crowned him as the emir, but later on, Ganduje came and removed him on power and brought someone else. So that conflict, I cannot really say what is going on between them, but I think that is their own issue between themselves. I don't know about their issue, but they should solve it themselves. If they cannot solve it, only God knows what they are fighting one another. Maybe it's because of they themselves, they are not making things right in the north. Because they themselves, actually, if you look at the north, I'm telling you, they are suffering. Kano is suffering. Mention the far north, we are suffering. And those people, we have those top elites that have ruled, but nothing in the north. We don't have industry in the north. Even my state, Jos, even the Coca-Cola that was in Plateau State, they have to take it to Kaduna. They have to take it to Kaduna, and they make that company to become a branch. And it's because of the evil people that are there. And those people, they don't want anything good. I'm saying this because there are some people that they don't want that state to grow. People like El Rufai, that man is not a lover of this country called Nigeria. May God forgive me. And I know that God is with me. El Rufai need to repent. God is giving him chance to repent. And if he's not going to repent, time is coming that he will cry. Him and his descendants, all of them, they will cry because God will punish him, punish his descendants. Thank you.
Oh, okay, a lot of people are saying that the killing in the north was a Fulani agenda to kill Christians and to destroy the Hausa indigenous people of that land. How true is that?
Actually, it's the truth. The agenda is to kill Christians, and I must tell the Christian, whether we like it or not, Jesus Christ said we will suffer. Where is the suffering coming from? It's coming from them. Because we as a Christian, we failed to preach to them, so they have to come and kill us, destroy us. I didn't mean we preach for them. They will never do that to us. But because we Christian, we are just in our comfort zone. We don't have anything. We don't have anything to do with evangelism. And Christ has given us that mandate. We should evangelize. We should preach about him. And if the Christian will rise up and preach them, then I think the killing will stop. But if the Christian will continue to be in one place, then these people will continue to kill because they are carrying the agenda of the devil. That's all what I know.
They are carrying the agenda of who?
Of the devil.
Okay.
Why I'm saying this is because I grew up with Muslim. I can tell you that some of them, because they don't know I'm a Christian, do you know what they say? They don't know I'm a Christian. They just look, they think I'm a Muslim, because most people in Lagos see me and they think I'm a Muslim. They will tell us that they don't like Christian, and if they kill Christian, it's a blessing, it's a reward. That's what they are saying. Because we Christian, we fail to preach to them, so they will kill us as a reward. That's what their God tells us, and our God tells us to forgive, to pray for our enemies, to even give our enemies water. But them, their God tells them that their enemies, they should kill. So you can see that the Christian and the Muslim, I don't think they can coexist. The only coexistence that Christian and Muslim will do is only when the Christian rise up and preach the gospel. Then that we can have a peace between the Christian and the Muslim. Thank you.
And the Christian preach the gospel where there is where they are being killed, and when carrying the Bible they are being killed here. When preaching the gospel they are being killed. Don't you think that it's high time Christians in Nigeria, decide to have their own country like Biafra?
Let me tell you the truth. You see, the power of the gospel of Jesus Christ, no any man can stop that power. That is not a work of the flesh, it's the work of the spirit. No king, no governor, no president can stop the gospel. The gospel power is a supreme power. It controls the entire universe. Even though some people think that the devil is ruling this world, the devil can only rule when you don't have Jesus Christ in your life. Then the devil can rule your world. But when you have Jesus, the devil cannot rule your world. That is why you see the good Christian people that are living their life for Christ, they are not afraid to die. So the gospel must be preached. Whether they are going to kill the Christian or not killing the Christian, the power of the gospel, no any forces can stop that. That's the supreme power. That's the end of the matter. Thank you very much.
Okay, finally, what do you want to... people are saying soldiers soldiers were killed on Biafran Day anniversary, and Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. Possibly any moment from now he's going to be free. If Nnamdi Kanu is being freed today, people from the Middle Belt who are Northerners, who are actually Christians, would they like to leave that place for Fulanis to join Biafra in their own land when Biafra is restored? Would you like to be part of Biafra?
Of course, we would like to be part of a social justice where there is a tranquility, there is equal rights. It's better to be with people that you know you are free than to be with a person that is hunting for your life. So I think the good people of Plateau State will support Biafra. But honestly speaking, even we in Plateau State, we can be a country of our own. That's the truth. We heard about country like the Iceland. They are not bigger than Plateau State, but they are country. Then that means we too, we can be country, we as a Plateau State, but I believe we can join with some other states like this state. We can join with maybe Abuja, you know, the Bagi, because Abuja belongs to Bagi. All those Fulani claiming that land is not their own. And with people like these states, which state myself? There are some 2 states. Now I forgot the state. We can join maybe like 3 states. We can be a nation of our own. But honestly speaking, nothing. I just mean concerning Nnamdi Kanu with what has been going on. Nnamdi Kanu is just doing the right thing, and I believe he will come out. And the killing which they are doing in his land is the evil people that are planning that killing. That's all what I know. They don't sleep. Evil men, they don't sleep. When people are sleeping, they are planning on how they are going to destroy life. That's exactly what they are doing. And their time is coming, because God has numbered their time. All the evil men that are in this country, God has already numbered their time. Very soon we will.
And God has also numbered Nigeria's time.
Yes, of course, Nigerian time God has numbered. Because the evil gods have seen the evil. And
do you see Nigeria break in any moment? You know, do you see Nigeria break and Biafra will go?
Actually, Nigeria is going to break, because as you see things now, things now is not telling us that we are going to be one. Thing is actually any president that comes is still. Buhari came is still. This man now, he came and he's stealing, and you expect people to continue to stay together? No, it cannot work like that. If Buhari is I didn't mean Buhari serve in America by now that he's not in power, he will be in jail. Yes, Buhari will be in jail because he has already made our many life miserable. And actually, the present president right now is making our life miserable, because everything is just going higher. What you buy is going higher. Even sometimes to eat food, you found it difficult. There are people that they don't work with government. They don't have any place where they can get work to do and get that money. How do you expect them to survive? To buy Maggi is higher, to buy water is higher. Nothing is just cheap. And you expect this country to stay together? I don't think this country is going to stay together between man and God. This country is heading to split. And for me, according to how I view it, I don't think Nigeria will stay together after Tinubu, because I know Tinubu is not going to work for Nigeria. People of Nigeria should forgive me. Tinubu is here to steal the money, to corrupt everything, and to carry everything for himself. He's a selfish man, a selfish president, and which of course I know they don't play such kind of a thing because even the media is afraid. But honestly true, they need to tell the president he's selfish. Me, I don't care if I die. I used to tell it, even if they'll come and carry me, kill me, I am ready to die. Right now I'm going out to preach to my Muslim brothers. Jesus is the only way, because Jesus Christ is the only one that rises people from the grave, and he has given people assurance. He died, he rose on the 3rd day. That's exactly what I am doing. If I die, I'm happy, because I love the gospel more than being the president of this country called Nigeria, or being president of America. Thank you very much.